I want some breakfast. Breakfast, I'm gonna be in a hurry because I gotta go to work. Well, not go to work, but go inside to work. We're in the middle of the coronavirus. So, we're gonna start it the easy way. Well, the fast way. Got the cast iron grate over here. Hopefully the grease will run this way. Got this to protect it so I can reach across. Pretty simple. We're gonna speed the video up. I don't figure there's any reason for y'all to watch me lay bacon down. But put the bacon down, and we close the lid and give it about 4 or 5 minutes. We open it back up, we start flipping it, figure out where the hot spots are. They're usually right in the middle, sometimes a little more to one side or the other. And then we play the bacon shuffling game as different pieces get done. I typically don't give it much more than a minute 30 seconds after that to start flipping them and getting them where they need to be. You'll notice as I take them off, they always get a nice good shake and try and get some of that grease off of them. As you get space, then you start making room for the eggs, which you'll see here. I scraped the bacon remnants away, left some of the grease, but mostly got the burnt bacon bits away from the eggs. Give it a little shake, and now we're starting to clear out space for the second egg. Should be just a few minutes now and it's done. Hit it with a little bit of Tony Chachere's, and right here is where you'd add some cheese too if that's sort of your thing. I usually do, but I didn't have any made up this morning. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.